Alright guys, welcome to AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. And I said good morning to you. It's been a while, for some time now I won't already upload any video yet. If today is your first time really coming to this channel, I will advise you to subscribe, like, and click on the notification button so that in case of any time we upload video, you can see the beautiful video so that you can learn something. And if you're a returning subscriber, I would say also copy the link and share so that others can benefit from you. Okay, if you're looking for a place to get your cosmetic or organic material or recipe skincare ingredient, you can also really count on us. Just the number on your screen, you can really click and call on us. Copy the number and call on us. You get us. Be in the US, be in the UK, Europe, Asia country, other Africa countries, or even in Nigeria as well. We ship everywhere, we deliver everywhere. Just pick your phone number, pick the phone number and call us. If you want to buy recipe, skincare, anything you want to buy on skincare, regarding the skincare ingredient, on anything, so that is that. A lot of people, they be trying to reach me recently, but they can. But the thing is that I went for a little holiday. Okay, all right, and for that they've really dropped a lot of messages for me about a product to make a review on. So they're looking for the best product for them to really because skincare, anything about skincare, they have to do with trend, you see. But it doesn't really work that way. What you believe that works for you, you can use it for 100 years instead of you following trend. But they believe in trend in skincare products. This one is trending, let's go for this, let's go for that. Okay, so what is trending right now is no other product than Gluta White. In case you've not seen it, this is it. It's really trending right now, because of the activeness and coupled with the serum, they both really trending right now. So I would advise you, for those of you who love to follow trend and you want to get white, yes, you want to get white. With these two, I tell you can really get white. You can really get white, Mostly, I don't know your skin type anyway, because it really it's a combination of two active products, which is a glutathione and collagen. Are you getting it? Let's quickly see what it contains. This okay, now it said it's formulated with double active. I said it, formulated with double active and collagen, glutathione and collagen. All right, glutathione with collagen. So like what I said, that these two things is strongly made of. So like you all know collagen, that it helps to improve the reduction of the body. Anything like your body reduction, collagen really helps to improve it. Are you getting it? So now let's go ahead and say Gluta White clarifying lotion, moisturizer. So it's a moisturizer also. Are you getting it? Tonifies also and repairs your skin. You see, so it's not just all about just being because it's a whitening look. There are things it does also. It's okay. We say, and again, it minimizes all skin impurities. All skin impurities. Are you getting it? Imperfection and guarantee. Wow. Guarantee a smooth, light, and firm skin. So, like this product is a very good product that for those of you like Promixing, also you can still add whatever you want to add to reach to get your final destination. Are you getting it? So I think this is not, I know, because 3 persons they bought from me. Yes, I have really supplied, they've been using it and they testify about it now that is a good one. You hear me? So if you're looking for a product that right now you want to, before the fake goes rampant, I think this is the right product. And I think I can still tell you this, that boldly original one. Original one, go for the original one. Go for us, like us. We said the original ones. Go for us. Come buy from us. Some people be asking me, oh, Shay, you get store. I said I sell only online. Can't you hear me? I'm a distributor. So if you see me on people's stores, I go check my customers. Doesn't really matter. I'm a distributor. So I'm a distributor. You don't need to come tell me because you want to buy one, you want to buy this, buy online from me. So don't be telling me, oh, I can only do business online. Are you getting it? I can only do business online. If you say, oh, you can't do online, you want to go do one-on-one, you can go buy from those people. I didn't tell you not to go buy from them, okay? Yes, for those of you who want to buy recipes, who want to buy organic skincare recipe, who want to buy cosmetic, buy from me online. You hear me? Because I'm a distributor. So don't come putting on me. You want to come to my store, blah 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 blah. For now, I don't have store. I keep saying it. If you don't get it, I'm a distributor. I distribute to those people who have stores. Say, oh, I need your store. So that's the true talk. Okay. Thank you for listening to me. That's the end of the video. Bye bye.